In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can remove duplicate values from this data. So this is an Excel data and we want to remove duplicate values from this Excel data. We have this data with serial number, full name, and then what? Gender. So for us to be able to remove duplicate values, first we need to highlight values that are duplicates in this data. So I'll select all this data. Okay. So after selecting the data, I'll make sure I am on the home tab. So from the home tab, then I'll go to the styles. That is the styles here. And then on the styles, I'll click on conditional formatting. So on the conditional formatting, you will see highlight cell rules or highlight cells rules. So when you select highlight cells rules, then you move your pointer to duplicate values, meaning we want to highlight duplicate values. So here there will be a dialog box or a pop-up window where the pop-up window will give us the opportunity to choose the specific color we want to highlight our values that are duplicate with. So here we said we want light red filled with dark red text, but we can change it to green filled with dark green text. Here is it. Okay, but here we want to maintain light red filled with dark red text. Okay, so from there we'll click on OK. Now we've been able to highlight all the values that are duplicates in this data. So for us to be able to remove the duplicate values, we will click on the data tab. So from the data tab, we will move to data tools. This is the data tools. And on the data tools, you will see remove duplicates. So I'll click on remove duplicates. So there will be a pop-up window which has all the data headings or the attributes of the data. Now we want to remove data with duplicate names. So here we will uncheck gender and then uncheck SN. So it is left with full name. So I'll just click on OK. And now you can see that it says 669 duplicate values found and removed. 2678 unique values remain. So by doing this, we've been able to remove duplicate values from our Excel data. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and hit on the follow button and share this video for others to also learn. Bye bye.